is the main Long Beach Library. Hey everybody at home, this is Take a Stance 101 with Steve and Sasha, anti-bullying. Now, when you think about anti-bullying, we're going to get into the aspects away from self-defense. Now we're into empowerment. Sasha, do you accept this challenge of figuring out where the library is?
Yes!
And what do you think? Didn't you think the library was like right behind us?
Yeah.
Yeah, Larry, look over here. We thought the library was right there. At home, can you help Sasha out? She could use a few, tips. Where do you think the library is from here? Where do you think? We'll have to look around and find it.
This is a lot harder than I thought. Here's another 4 doors.
And it's not the library.
Hey everybody, I still didn't find the library, but look at this cool city garden.
It's from the City Hall. The City Hall has their own garden right here. Isn't that cool?
I found a huge clue.
Yes.
Look, I found the Long Beach Library.
Hey guys, Sasha here and Sensei Steve. What we're going to do today is we're visiting the main branch of the Long Beach Library. And here we're in the studio. It's such a cool place, such a neat resource. What we found here, as you see behind us, you can see all the computers. Everybody can jump on a computer here, design something, and then have it made up in a 3D printer and then actually play with it. Sasha, what are you going to make up?
I'm going to make a Shopkin.
She's going to do a Shopkin with one of the computers here. She's going to design it and have it printed up, and she'll be able to play with it later. Let's see what we can do here.
The coolest place. It was a great day at the Long Beach Library today. Look.